Hi guys! This is Sir Janelle and welcome to Teach Talk. Ngayon po sa araw na to, ang ating math topic will be about divisibility rules. Pag-uusapan natin kung kailan natin malalaman o kailan natin masasabi na ang isang number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Isa-isahin natin sila guys, okay? So again, in this video, we will have the divisibility rule for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's start with our divisible by 2. When can we say that a number is divisible by 2? We can say that it is divisible by 2 when it is an even number. Or when we say even number guys, ito po yung mga number na nagtatapos sa 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay, meron po tayong dalawang numbers, odd at saka even numbers. Yung odd numbers, yung nagtatapos sa 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, while yung even numbers, nagtatapos sa 0, 2, 4, and 6. So, dapat ang isang number is even number para masabi nating divisible by 2. For example, we have here 8. 8 is an even number because it ends with 8. Also 56. So dito si 8 ends with 8. So that is an even number. 56 ends with 6. That is also an even number. And 10,320 is also an even number because it ends with 0. So lahat po sila are even number. These are examples of our even numbers or divisible by 2. Take note lang po, kapag divisible by 2, dapat even number. Pag even number, nagtatapos sa 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Punta naman tayo sa divisible by 3. Sa divisible by 3, guys, ang ating rule is dapat daw ang sum of the digits is divisible by 3. What do we mean by sum of the digits? For example, we have these examples. 81. Si 81 guys, ang kanyang digits are 8 and 1. Pag pinag-add natin si 8 and 1, 8 plus 1, that is 9. Now question, is 9 divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3. 3, 6, 9. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. Therefore, 81 is divisible by 3. Yun lang. I-add mo lang yung digits. Tapos kapag divisible siya by 3, that is a number divisible by 3. So next, let's have 204. Is 204 divisible by 3? Let's add the digits. We have here 2 plus 0 plus 4. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. Is 6 divisible by 3? Yes. Therefore, 204 is divisible by 3. Lastly, we have 13,530. Again, let's just add our digits. We have 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 0. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 5 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 0 is 12. Is 12 divisible by 3? Yes. Therefore, 13,530 is also divisible by 3. Again, kapag divisible by 3, dapat ang sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Let's proceed to divisible by 4. Sa divisible by 4 naman guys, we can say that a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits are divisible by 4. So this is applicable po sa mga malalaking numbers. So we have here, for example, 116, 508 to 20,612. Ang last two digits sa ating 116 is 16. And take note, 16 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 116 is divisible by 4. Next, sa 508 naman, si 08 or si 8 divisible by 4. Therefore, this is also divisible by 4. Lastly, we have 20,612. 12 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 20,612 is also divisible by 4. Take note lang, kapag divisible by 4, the last two digits are divisible by 4. Punta naman tayo sa divisible by 5. Medyo madali sa divisible by 5 kasi ang rule po dito, as long as yung ating number ay nag-end or yung last digit niya is 0 or 5, that is divisible by 5. For example, we have 115, 30,020, 100,635. Si 150 nag-end siya sa 5, therefore, that is divisible by 5. Si 30,020 na nag-end siya ng 0, therefore, it is divisible by 5. And lastly, si 100,635 that is also nag-end sa 5, therefore, it is also divisible by 5. Yun lang guys, kapag divisible by 5, it ends or yung last digit niya is 0 or 5. Proceed tayo sa divisible by 6. Sa divisible by 6 guys, meron tayong dalawang condition. It should be divisible by 2 and 3. So dapat yung isang number divisible siya by 2 and divisible siya by 3. That's the time that we can say that it is divisible by 6. Take note, dapat both both na divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. Review muna tayo. Kapag sabihin nating divisible by 2, ano yan? Even number dapat. Or nag-end ng 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Kapag divisible by 3 naman, ano yung rule natin? Correct. The sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Let's have an example. We have here 114. Is 114 divisible by 2? Correct. Yes, kasi nag-end siya ng 4 and 4 is an even number. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. To check kung divisible siya by 3, let's add the numbers. We have 1 plus 1 plus 4 kasi dapat ang sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 114 is divisible by 6 kasi divisible siya by 2 and divisible siya by 3. How about 5,016? 5,016 is an even number because it ends with 6, therefore it's divisible by 2. Try naman nating i-add 5 plus 0 plus 1 plus 6, that is 12. And 12 is divisible by 3, therefore si 516 is divisible by 6. Lastly, we have 21,012. It is divisible by 2 because it ends with 2, which is an even number. Pag pinag-add natin, we have 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2. That is 6. And again, 6 is divisible by 3. Therefore, this is also divisible by 6. Yun guys ang ating divisible by 6. Dapat divisible siya by 2 and 3. Again, kapag divisible by 6, divisible by 2 and 3. Pag divisible by 7 naman guys, actually ito yung pinaka-challenging, si divisible by 7. Kasi dito, kailangan natin mag-times ng 2 sa last digit and then isubtract siya sa rest ng digits. So we have here, rest of digits minus 2 times the last digit is divisible dapat by 7. Sige, let me give you an example. We have here 196 and 392. How can we say that these are divisible by 7? So again, i-double natin ang last digit, yung 6 natin i-times 2 natin, tapos i-subtract yan sa remaining number which is 19. So we have 19, which is this one, minus 2 times 6. Always natin siya ita-times 2 ang last digit. So 2 times 6 is 12, and 19 minus 12 is 7. Is 7 divisible by 7? Yes. Therefore, si 196 is divisible by 7. Again, ulitin ko guys, kapag divisible by 7, rest of digits minus 2 times the last digit, dapat siya divisible by 7. Try naman natin si 392. Again, si last digit, i-times 2 mo, tapos yung rest of the digit, isasubtract natin. Yan yung sasubtractan natin or babawasan ng 2 times the last digit. So we have 39 minus 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 39 minus 4 is 35. Is 35 divisible by 7? Yes. Therefore, it is divisible by 7. 392 is divisible by 7. Again, guys, review tayo. Kapag divisible by 7, rest of the digits minus 2 times the last digit is divisible dapat by 7. So may gamit natin yan, especially pag malalaking numbers na. Yan po ang ating divisibility rule for 7. Proceed naman tayo sa divisibility rule by 8. It is somewhat like similar sa divisibility rule ng 4. So kung sa 4 guys, review tayo. Kapag divisibility rule ng 4, we have dapat yung last 2 digits are divisible by 4. Sa divisibility rule by 8 naman guys, the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. For example, 3,064 and 2,160. Ano ang last 3 digits natin sa 3,064? We have 064. And take note, si 64 is divisible by 8. Therefore, 3,064 is divisible by 8. The same with 2,160. Ano ang last 3 digits niya? We have 160. And take note, 160 is divisible by 8. Therefore, this is also divisible by 8. Take note lang, kapag divisibility rule ni 8, dapat last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Next, punta naman tayo sa divisibility rule by 9. Kung si 8, same siya sa divisibility rule ni 4, this should be 8. Divisibility rule. So, ang divisibility rule by 9 naman guys is dapat same siya sa divisibility rule ni 3. Kasi sa divisibility rule ni 9, the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So, mag-a-add na naman tayo guys katulad lang sa ating divisibility rule by 3. For example, we have 108. I-add mo lang po ang digits. We have 1 plus 0 plus 8. 1 plus 0 plus 8 is 9 and 9 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 108 is divisible by 9. Next, we have 585. I-add lang po ang digits. We have 5 plus 8 plus 5. That is 18. And 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore, si 585 is divisible by 9. Lastly, we have 73,917. Pag pinag-add mo yan, 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 9 is 19, plus 1 is 20, plus 7 is 27. And 27 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 73,917 is divisible by 9. Again, kapag divisible by 9, ang ating sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Divisible by 9, again, kapag pinag-add natin ang digits or the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Let's proceed to our last divisibility rule. We have divisible by 10. Kapag divisible by 10, madali lang siya because dapat yung last digit or nagtatapos siya sa 0. Again, kapag divisible by 10, dapat last digit is 0 or nagtatapos siya ng 0. For example, we have 240. It ends with 0. Therefore, it is divisible by 10. So 30,020, nagtatapos din ng 0 or it ends with 0. Therefore, it is also divisible by 10. And lastly, we have 100,630. It also ends with 0. Therefore, it is also divisible by 10. Review natin guys ang ating divisibility rules from 2 to 10. Let's start with divisible by 2. Magiging divisible by 2 ang ating number if it is an even number. Kapag even number, it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Kapag divisible by 3 naman, dapat the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Or pag inad natin yung mga numbers niya, divisible by 3. Next, sa divisible by 4 naman, dapat the last 2 digits are divisible by 4. Again, divisible by 4 kapag last 2 digits are divisible by 4. Next, divisible by 5 if it ends with 0 or 5. Kung ang last digit natin, 0 or 5. Next, divisible by 6, it is divisible by 6 kung divisible siya by 2 and 3. Sa divisible by 7, medyo challenging. Dapat i-times 2 natin yung last digit tapos i-subtract natin siya sa rest of the digits. So rest of the digits minus 2 times the last digit is divisible by 7. Kapag divisible by 8, dapat ang last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Kapag divisible by 9, parang divisible by 3 lang na sum of the digits dapat divisible by 9. And lastly, kapag divisible by 10, dapat it ends with 0 or ang last digit is 0. And ang video natin for today, we are done with our divisibility rules. If you have any questions,